ticking time bomb in your body. Why low testosterone is more dangerous than you think. Gentlemen, we need to have a serious talk. You might think low testosterone is just about feeling a little tired or having trouble in the bedroom, but I'm here to tell you it is so much more than that. Low testosterone is a silent epidemic that's ruining men's lives, and most guys have no idea until it's too late. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the life-altering, low-term effects of low testosterone. What I'm about to share might scare you, but knowledge is power. By the end of this video, you'll understand why addressing your hormone health isn't just about feeling good. It's about safeguarding your future. Number one, your physical health deterioration. Let's start with what you can see and feel. Low testosterone doesn't just affect how you look in the mirror. It's slowly breaking down your body from the inside out. Muscle mass and strength. Your body is literally eating away at yourself. Low T leads to decreased muscle mass and strength, making everyday tasks harder and increasing your risk of injuries. Bone density. Your skeleton is getting weaker by the day. Low T can lead to osteoporosis, putting you at a risk for devastating fractures as you age. Body fat distribution. That beer belly isn't just about aesthetics. Increased abdominal fat is linked to metabolic syndrome, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. This isn't just about looking good at the beach, although that's good. It's about maintaining your independence and quality of life as you age. Metabolic mayhem. Low testosterone doesn't just affect your muscles. It's wreaking havoc on your entire metabolic system. Insulin resistance. Your body's becoming less efficient at processing sugar, paving the way for type 2 diabetes. Cardiovascular risk. Your heart health is on the line. Low T is associated with an increased risk of heart disease and stroke. Cholesterol imbalance. Your testosterone helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels. When it drops, your risk of atherosclerosis skyrockets. These aren't just numbers on a lab report. They're ticking time bombs in your body. Mental health and cognitive decline. Low T isn't just a physical issue. It's messing with your mind in ways you can't even realize. Mood disorders. That inexplicable irritability or lingering sadness, it could be low testosterone. Depression and mood swings are common symptoms that can devastate your relationships and your career. Cognitive function. Your brain needs testosterone to function optimally. Low levels are linked to cognitive decline, potentially increasing your risk of dementia and Alzheimer's. Focus and motivation. That brain fog and lack of drive aren't character flaws. They're symptoms of a hormone imbalance that's robbing you of your potential. This isn't just about your mood. It's about preserving your mental acuity and emotional well-being for years to come. Sexual health and fertility. Now let's talk about what's probably brought many of you to this video, your sexual health. Erectile dysfunction. It's not just about performance. ED can strain relationships, crush self-esteem, and be a bigger sign of a more serious health problem. Libido. A tanking sex drive isn't just frustrating. It can lead to relationship problems and affect your overall quality of life. Fertility. Planning a family? Low T can significantly impact sperm production, potentially leading to infertility. This isn't just about satisfaction in the bedroom. It's about maintaining intimacy, relationships, and the ability to start a family if you choose. Sleep and energy. The effects of low testosterone follow you day and night, impacting your sleep and overall energy levels. Sleep disturbances. Insomnia and sleep apnea are common with low T, creating a vicious cycle of fatigue and health problems. Chronic fatigue, that constant exhaustion isn't normal. You know that. Low T can leave you feeling drained, affecting every aspect of your life. This isn't just about feeling tired. It's about having the energy to live the life you want. Gentlemen, I know this information might seem overwhelming, even scary, but here's the good news. Low testosterone is treatable. With proper diagnosis and management, you can avoid or reverse many of these life-altering effects. The key is early detection and action. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms we discussed, fatigue, mood changes, decreased libido, weight gain, don't write this off as just getting older. Get your levels checked. A simple blood test could be the first step in reclaiming your vitality and safeguarding your future. Remember, addressing low testosterone isn't about turning back the clock or chasing some idealized version of masculinity. It's about optimizing your health, preserving your quality of life, and ensuring you can be the best version for years to come. Don't let low T steal your future. Take control back of your hormone health today. Talk to a healthcare provider who specializes in men's health and hormone optimization. Your future self will thank you. If this video has opened up your eyes to the importance of hormone health, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And drop a comment below. Have you experienced any of these effects? Are you planning to get your levels checked? Let's start a conversation and support each other in this journey to optimal health. Remember, knowledge is power, but action is everything. Here's to you taking charge of your health and living your best life now and in the future.